Hello and welcome to the channel, bright and early on a Sunday morning, actually chilly Sunday morning. We're going to be working on the R33 project car. I'm going to be fitting the interior today, hopefully get it all buckled down and in. First we're going to clean it up. But before I do any of that, I'm going to go fetch the black RX-7. Let's go. So nice to have a running, driving, nothing to worry about RX-7, completely stock standard. You guys know this car. This was my first RX-7, the one I bought by mistake before I got the silver. So it's been sitting in my parents' place because I'm battling with space here, and I'm battling with turning space. So I figured rather have it here outside than park outside there, because at least I can maintain it and put covers on here. I can at least wash it, because I'm just pretty much not leaving the house at the moment. So be it with my turning space. I'm going to make a plan. The RX-7's back. I'm going to do a little bit of driving stuff with this and the MR2 soon. How's this? This dehumidifier, moisture absorber, has been on the car for about 3 weeks plus minus. It's full. Disgusting. That was because there was no glass. How disgusting is it? Oh my god. Just want to put that in a sandwich and eat it. I think I should take this whole back seat assembly out. Actually, you know what? I am going to do it. Not now. We're going to focus on the dash. I just want to clean this car up. I don't want to breathe this crap. Did you know this is the first time I'm sitting in the seat and I've had the car for 2 months? I didn't sit in it because it had fucking mold everywhere. I mean, I didn't exactly clean it properly, I just vacuumed it, but better know what it was. It's going to be a bit of a slow process because I do want to clean things up nicely underneath the dash. So obviously this is the rust converter. This is the treatment, which by the by, the brew rust, my dad found out where they sell it. Yes, there's a number on the back here which I phoned. It was Mr. A.M. Maharaj. I called this last week when one of you guys asked me where's this product from. I called this number and it didn't even ring. It just went dead. I tried phoning it twice. And then my dad phoned this weekend and it rang and he picked up the phone. They sell this brew rust. You cannot find it anywhere online. I've looked everywhere, but they sell brew rust at Durban North Marker on Umhlanga Rocks Drive. I forgot the price. It's under $100 though for a bottle. That'll sort out a lot of the car. I mean, I had probably about this much in the bottle when my dad gave it to me. And it's done the bonnet, it's done fenders, underneath, inside, the front end of the car, and this. Pretty good. Oh, and also thanks to Aaron, 802 Garage, from all the way from Vermont in the United States. He dropped quite the extensive comment on rust converters and what he uses specifically, because he's got a whole host of cars. You guys should go check out his channel. You probably have already. He's like a superstar compared to me. He uses Rust-Oleum, Rust Reformer. It comes in a spray form in South Africa. So spray can, aerosol, pretty cool. And then there's another one that uses Permatex, but I see that's not available here in South Africa. So I guess if you are watching from this side of the world, Brew Rust, looks like markers have it. I don't know if it's just Durban North market, but maybe I should ask Mr. Maharaj if he wants to make me a brand ambassador and sponsor me. Just dip the whole car in Brew Rust. Apparently what Aaron was saying is that there's a specific ingredient, which I forgot already and I don't have my phone with me, but there's a specific ingredient that all these products have in them that sorts out the rust. I forgot the technical term as well. I'm just saying it sorts out the rust. That's what it does to me. That's not coming off easily, but I remembered something. Aaron, 802 Garage, mentioned something. I'll be right back. I think he said something like, clean your car like as if it's your kitchen or something. Yeah. No, I didn't think of this shit the other day. I was just grinding with a cloth. That is so much better. You wouldn't believe, I did it off cam, the shit that was coming out of the bottom. My god. Moving on. Ooh, I see some rust. There's some rust. Let it soak for a little while. Check this out, I'm so impressed with the doors. Solid, solid, solid. Even when it opens. Ooh, that got dirty again. How's that? Mad. Mad, mad, mad. Not a lot of people see it. My wife don't see it. She sees a piece of scrap metal. I see potential. I know I said in the last video, but it's really starting to look like a Skyline now. Here comes the fascia. Remember, I'm going to be redoing this. If you guys are just tuning in and you're new to the channel, this was my first attempt at recovering a dash. It didn't come out what I expected. I'm going to be redoing it. It was a learning experience. I'm sorry about the static camera angle, but there's not much I can do here. The camera's inside the car. If you're wondering, the easiest way, label all your packets, keep all your screws inside. So dash cluster surround. Okay, I'm pretty stoked on the temporary outcome. It's, you know, I could have done a better job. I'm a bit bleak that I didn't take the time to actually get this thing right. So like here, I needed a bit more filler foam, and I didn't do that properly. I didn't get the stuff pressed down properly. Here, my edges were a little bit off. Over there, it's a bloody shambles. Yeah, I ran out of time. I explained that a couple of videos ago. Shouldn't have done this with the baby being so young when it was happening, because I had to run in and out the house and blah blah blah, and this thing was just an absolute cock up. Steering wheel's okay. I mean, this thing was hugely exploded. I could have probably fixed that up a little bit, but for the most part it's alright. That's also temporary. I'm going to throw on a Momo or Sparko or I don't know, personal wheel, something decent. Fascia I'm actually not so happy with. With the lighting you can still see the imperfections. See that, where the sun's shining? Like from here, that's fine. If I'm sitting here, it's okay. So I think that's going to come out again, and I'm going to hit it with that VHT stuff. The hammered paint didn't exactly do what I wanted it to do. Anyway, it's looking better. I've got a few more things that I need to throw on, and then I think we're going to start doing some gauges, something cool here. I've got an idea of what I want to throw on there, and then this is what I've got lined up, and I want you guys to tell me in the comment section what I should do for the next video. So either back seats are going to come out, roof lining is going to come out, carpet is going to come out. I want to get black dye and I want to redo the carpets, and I want to redo the roof lining in full black, including all this stuff here. Okay, I need to put those things back, those A-pillar mounts, covers, and then obviously the back seats I want to steam clean and all that jazz. I need to clean up all those back panels and all that shit. So either I'll do that in the next video, or put the car on stands, so lift it, put it on stands, get the wheels off, take the brake assembly off on all four, so calipers off, get the discs off to my dad before they rust up anymore. He's a fitter and turner and does a whole bunch of other cool stuff. Get him to skim the discs for me and balance, I don't know, skim, balance, whatever. Redo the discs. He's done before in the RX-7 and some other car, and he's just crazy good at doing it. So get him to do that, paint the calipers, and then while the wheels are off, somehow try and sell these wheels plus the black ones that I have that used to be on the MR2, the 15s, and try organize 17s. There's a company called Hannaford Tires. They're in Phoenix in Durban. They do trade-ins on wheels. I don't know, maybe they can trade in 8 tires and wheels. Okay, 1 tire is flat, but 7 tires and wheels for 1 set of 17s with no tires. But I've got tires. I've got lots of 17 tires, lots of 245s and lots of 235s. That's the plan. Let me know in the comment section, what do you guys want to see? Should I finish the interior by doing the roof lining, all that stuff, or should I lift the car, start looking underneath? Oh, and while the car is lifted, I want to sort out things underneath. So rust protection, it's still full of mud, red mud. Should I do that, or should I finish off the interior? Let me know. Thanks so much for watching. Pretty cool video. I had some good time with the car. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Long one, like you requested. Show you what you're doing, DIY, blah blah blah. Don't hate on the dash. Thank you. See you all in the next one. Peace.